Hey guys, quick update with Seven Spiders. So the countdown has started and there's only 1.23 minutes left before the boosting will start. So this is another way for us to generate income. Of course, you need to have at least $10 on your withdrawal wallet to be able to participate into boosting. So guys, it's just a $10 balance that you need to have on your withdrawal wallet, and then that will generate you 350%. So make sure after the countdown you will press that get boosting button so you can start to activate your booster. Okay, so it has not to be on the Spider wallet. You can't use your balance from Spider wallet, only from your earning wallet or from your withdrawal wallet. So guys, I encourage you to at least direct to people because you can earn 50% from their registration or activation. So out of two people, you will have two benefit from that. So first is you will open up or you will unlock your withdrawal capability from this project, and also you can have 50% direct referral earnings. So from your two direct referrals, you will earn $10, and that is more than enough for you to start on boosting income. So this is very special features of Seven Spiders. Okay, so especially for those of you who are not into inviting, you can still generate money from booster, okay, while you're still waiting for the global auto pool income. All right, so congratulations for all of the people who register to our team, 154 so far, and I encourage you guys who registered but haven't activated yet, you should activate as soon as you can, so you will start to position your accounts in the global auto pool, and soon you will start generating money. That's a free non-working income from this project, and you have also the opportunity to start generating money from boosting income. So yeah, this is my quick update, guys. All right, so let's generate more money. Keep in touch, guys. Subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon. Also, please hit the like button and comment your thoughts, so this will help our channel to grow. And yeah, I'll see you all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye bye.